Hi, this is Jeremy Bradshaw from MarineMax Venice, and this is one of our brand new Boston Whaler 24 Dauntless Pro Edition. So this is brand new, of course, for 2018. Whaler's done the second station up here, a little bit different layout in the transom in the back. We brought this one in with the blade power pole, very, very convenient when you're in shallow water or just pull up to the beach to keep the stern still. This one's got the Atlas jack plate right here, big 350 Verado. Of course, we get our trim tabs. Nice cockpit layout all the way around. Also has recirculating bait well, freshwater system, raw water wash down. Plenty of room here on the dash to do your electronics. This is going to be your second station right up here. Kind of hard to see, but that's what that is. Up front, very comfortable with your cushions up here. Lockable storage, port and starboard. Another bait well right here, so the boat actually has two bait wells. Underneath your console, you got our cushions are there right now, but there's an enclosed head right there. This one's also set up for a troll motor in the front. We're real happy with the design. Very, very nice, and it's ideal here for the west coast of Florida. So to recap, this is a 2018 Boston Whaler 24 Dauntless Pro Edition. So again, my name's Jeremy Bradshaw. If you'd like some additional information, feel free to give us a call. The number here at MarineMax Venice is 941-485-3388. Thanks for taking the time. We hope to talk to you soon. Bye-bye.